Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing our world, from healthcare breakthroughs to everyday tasks. But how do we prepare America's youth for this AI-driven future? Enter the Presidential AI Challenge launched in 2025 by President Trump. Signed under Executive Order 14277, this initiative promotes AI literacy for K-12 students and educators. It encourages hands-on learning to solve real problems like community safety or resource optimization, while emphasizing responsible use. First Lady Melania Trump leads as ambassador, drawing from her own AI-narrated memoir.
Unleash their imagination.
She urges kids to unleash their imagination and showcase American innovation in an AI-assisted workforce. The challenge has 3 tracks: proposal development for ideas without coding, technical implementation for building AI solutions, and educator innovation for teaching tools. Teams submit narratives, visuals, and demos by January 2026 with prizes up to $10,000. Amid U.S. AI policy pushing deregulation for growth, public polls show caution over privacy and bias. The challenge addresses this by focusing on ethics and fairness. By bridging theory and practice, it inspires ethical innovation. Join the challenge to build a prosperous AI future. Visit ai.gov for more.